Welcome back to Masters at Wagtail. I want y'all to do an unboxing with me. I got a little box, but it's got some heft to it. And I imagine it's got some tools in here. You know, anybody should be excited when it comes to toys. New toys that's going to help them make some bucks. Put some bucks in your pocket. You know what? I don't care what manufacturer you go with, whether it be Unger, Ettore, they're all good brands to make some bucks. And if you can use those tools to make some bucks, you're doing good, man. I don't care what anybody say, oh, that's a crappy company or that's a crap tool. If you're using it to make bucks, you're doing good. You know, hey, man, a tool is only as good as its master, right? And I'm a master wagologist, so you know what I mean? I can make those tools do unspeakable things. And in the hands of others, it's pretty much useless. They're like dead in the water. But I make them wagtails dance, man. I make them sing. I make them sing like a bird, like the bird that it is. You know, it's just, you find something that marinates with you and becomes one with you. You have to become one with the tool in order to master it. That means you can't have any doubt. You got to put all that negativity out of your brain. And music, let me tell you something. Music actually helps. It soothes the savage beast. It calms any negativity and grounds you. You know, they say that aromatherapy, certain smells, for some people it's a vision of a nice beach, you know. So if you're cleaning and you're thinking of being on a beach, but you can focus at the same time, it's supposed to get you more involved in enjoying your work, man. That's what it's all about. You have to enjoy making money. You have to enjoy doing what you do, and you will always be the best at it and be the master at it. I don't care what anybody looks at you as. Yeah, they may not see you as a master, but you are. In your own mind, you are. And I think we're all masters of our trade. If you're making bucks out there cleaning glass, then you a master tradesman. I don't care what you say. But it's just some that ain't a master than others. But let me tell you something. I had some tools that actually failed on me and left me hanging. Wagtail has never let me down. Now, there's other tools that are built to last, but you know, I was so distraught and I let that negativity build up into me, and I made a video about the product leaving me hanging. You know, it cost me $200 in labor. I had to come back to that job, and it wasn't down the street. It was over the bridge. I had to pay tolls, gas, and then pay for my labor help again because the tool failed on me and left me hanging. My expectations of the tool superseded its ability. Did you understand what I just said? My expectations of what that tool claimed it could do superseded its ability because I put too much emphasis on what it could do and how it's going to make me some bucks, and it failed on me. So I was hot. I made a video, and hey, man, I acted spontaneously off the dome like I always do with my videos. You know, I give it to you in this natural state. You know, I don't candy coat nothing. So the company reached out to me because they saw the video and they didn't appreciate it. So out of respect, they said, yeah, they knew I was frustrated. The owner of the company couldn't even call and talk to me himself. He sent a representative to contact me over the phone. And they said, well, you know, no, that's not true. I did speak to the owner through the email. Through the email. That's because he knew he must have said something. You don't want to talk to that guy. He is so frustrated, and he felt like the tool let him down. Yes, it did leave me down, and it cost me money. You damn Skippy, I'm mad. You know what I mean? So they said, take down the video. And, you know, they sent me a couple $100, you know. Tool just came out. You know, all people need to do is see that video and go, wow, you know what I mean? This guy, you know, yeah, this guy, yeah, it could have been you. This guy, no, it could have been you. You guy. You know. So needless to say, I'm not gonna go on about that. Let's open this box up. See what's in there. All right, yeah. So if anyone didn't know, if I didn't tell you, Sorbo products. Look, he sent me a year's supply of those nice pens. Look at that. Whoa. Nah, he ain't give me no year's supply, but that's a crap load of pens, man. You know what? I'm gonna give some out with quite a few contests I'll be having, I guess. Might as well. Let's see what this is. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's the postcards. So, all right, let's see what else is in here before I start telling y'all about some stuff, including the razor. I got some interesting stuff, I think. Whoa, look at that. Look at this. You know what? I had this handle before when I started using the Sorbo. In that channel, I don't remember what channel it was, but the channels, they look the same design, but it's just mine didn't have any colors. You know, it was plain. Now he getting stylish on me. He getting fancy. Man, this is nice. You know, I like a longer handle, but I guess some people like that. Look, it has a little lever for you guys. This is very well made. You can tell this is built to last unless you drop it from a 40-story building. Look, we have the regular swivel mop. Oh, and it has one on the side. So let's see what else is in here. Holy smokes, look at all these rubbers. Look, we got another one. We got two. Okay. And we got a whole 3 dozen of rubbers. Okay, he marked them too. That was nice of him. Oh, silicone. That's right, guys. I forgot. Yes. So you see it now, right? Silicone. He has a silicone version. He has a hard version for other channels, if you so choose to. And then a soft for the bigger channels, for those who might want to think about doing big, large plate glass with that mammoth size, bohemian size channel that Louis be twirling around like a goddamn Hercules demigod or something, you know. But okay, so this is going out. This is going out. This is going. You know what? I have 3 tools. I was going to combine the 2, but no. Then I'm a thin it out, you know, make it fair for someone else who could use these tools in this contest I got coming up, right? So we're gonna have it like this. Boom, all right. Boom, all right. Boom, and then each one gets a pen. I don't have 3 of those pads that I told you that's good for jotting down estimates while you're walking around the house. You can rip it off, give it to the customer. It'll be like a rough estimate that you can leave them and give them a formal one later on if they decide to get, take service. I think that's a great idea. That's what I was going to use it for. And then you got another one. All right, boom. So, and then you'll each get a postcard, and then the other one will get one of those notepads. I only need one. I don't do that many houses, not yet anyway, but I plan to. But I only need one, so I can give one to another winner. As far as the details of the contest, I'm still working on that. There's going to be a bonus if there's a tie. I don't know. It depends on what kind of a contest I'm holding. But there's going to be a bonus video, a bonus contest. And that's to win my one-of-a-kind trad pack, wireless trad pack. Now that is an expensive build. I told you I have spare parts. Just a matter of doing it. But, well, it's expensive to me. It's not like just giving a squeegee away. You know what I mean? I'm actually going to give that as a bonus. It's a one-time prototype. It's just something I use to help make me money. That's all. And if you were to get that, I think I'll throw in that water-fed wagtail because it'll be hard for you to use it without a way of. It depends on what you're going to use it for. Like I said, it's universal. So either way, there's a little small thing inside there that you can use to hook up to your water-fed device and make it wireless, plug and play. But all right, so Sorbo, man, he's a outstanding guy, man. Outstanding guy. I like getting toys, man. I like it. I'm gonna keep some of them. You know what? Why would I give all these rubbers away? I gotta keep one. You know what? I'm gonna give a few strips. I'm not gonna give that whole row out. What the heck am I thinking? I gotta smack myself. So yeah, I'll cut up like maybe two 22-inch lengths each. That way I can try out. I don't want the soft because I already know that I don't get on with that unless I'm using the Sorbo squeegee. I got this house I did today. I gotta come back, but they got Pella windows, and I'm gonna use that Sorbo on there, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm gonna use it on there because the Wagtail, unless the E-squeegee could do it. I'm not gonna talk too much about it, but it has so much resistance. It's like a film on one side, but I'll talk to y'all more about that. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and stay tuned for this contest, man. Stay tuned. I gotta think of something snazzy. Nothing hard. Maybe, I don't know. I may have y'all go on that scavenger hunt and look for those damn emojis. God knows I got a million videos, and it's like finding a needle in a haystack. But maybe I'll do that for my trad pack. Hey, that rhyme. That way, y'all can find that needle in the haystack to win that trad pack. Needle in the haystack to win the trad pack. All right, so that'll make it hard for y'all. And if no one gets it, then so be it. Because it ain't no sweat off my back. That's more or less to help somebody. That's, I ain't getting nothing out of it, I'm just trying to do, give back. They say give 10% back in church, Since they're not speaking in form of actual money, it's just like doing a good deed to your fellow man. Holding the door open for a lady, buying a cup of coffee for a stranger. It's coming from the heart. When you do that, or helping a homeless guy get something to eat, instead of giving him money, you go buy him something to eat. That way he can't use it for his own malicious deeds, because people, they like to hurt themselves, and you don't want to contribute to that. Not if you can help it. But this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you on the next one.